Good day! In this video, I will show you how to access the Google Colab website. Again, I recommend you to use Google Chrome and be sure that you have logged in your Google account. Once you have done all of this, just go to colab.research.google.com and you will be redirected to the official website of the Google Colab. In here, you can see this dialog box wherein you can explore some examples. You can see your recent notebooks, even access your Google Drive wherein your Google Colab notebooks are located. If you have a GitHub account, or even you can upload that IPYNB notebooks from other software tools such as Jupyter Notebook or your Visual Code. So let's cancel this one. So this is the home page of the Google Colab notebook. Actually, this is already a Google Colab notebook. As you can see, this is the file name, which is Welcome to Collaboratory. Then under which we have the menus. We have the File, Edit, View, Insert, Runtime Tools, Help. So as the home page, you can see here sections. We have the Getting Started, wherein you can read about how can you get started with Google Colab. Data Science section, wherein you can read how Google Colab can help you in your data science tasks or projects. Machine Learning section, wherein you will see some resources or links that will teach you on how Google Colab can help you in doing machine learning tasks, and also more resources, links such as links to the libraries, working with data, and also there's a machine learning crash course, then the featured examples. Okay, so this is the home page of the Google Colab system. Again, the website is colab.research.google.com. Thank you for watching this video.